Every year, the global automobile industry is generating millions of liters of used engine oil, causing environmental havoc the world over due to improper disposal. However, if recycled safely and productively with right and appropriate technology, it is the most valuable and energy-saver resource compared to refining virgin crude oil. Uplifting used oil from centralized collection points like service stations, workshops, recycling depots, and factory sites. Oil re-refiners are the masters of lube oil bending art and torchbearers of nature conservation. Thermopac. A prominent name in the oil re-refining business, offers vacuum distillation process using the state-of-the-art Thermopac wiped film evaporation technology to produce base oil by minimizing bottom components and maximizing reclamation of the useful ingredients from used lube engine oil. Being a versatile and experienced EPC contractor, Thermopac undertakes right from design, procurement, construction to handover of world-class true turnkey that is pre-assembled, pre-insulated, pre-wired, ready for installation and commissioning. Re-refining plants for the customer owing to Thermopac's innovative equipment design and design optimizations of the process. TWFE technology extends the yields of saleable products up to 96% to 98% of the used oil feed. Furthermore, complete automation, PLC control, and SCADA-based process enables a safe and smooth plant operation with minimum manpower in a completely environment-friendly manner with an impressive ROI of less than 2 years. Here is a brief overview of the process. Re-refining is a 3-step process in which water, lighter oils, degraded additives, and dissolved metals are removed. In the front-end skid, during initial dehydration and degasoil process, lube oil is pumped into flash evaporation circuit comprising of high-temperature recirculation pump, flash vessel and external heat exchanger, achieving evaporation by means of specially designed spray nozzle, which atomizes and instantly evaporates free and emulsified water along with naphtha. Next, most important step is a vacuum distillation and base oil extraction by means of thermo-wiped film evaporators housed in the back-end skid. It separates the mixture into a series of fractions representing different molecular weight or viscosity ranges. The temperature and vacuum are automatically monitored and controlled to selectively obtain light lube oil. The base oil thus generated continuously passes onto an intermediate storage tank and thereafter goes further for polishing. The bottom product, heavy lube oil and asphaltic residues, distributed to additional thin film evaporators, which selectively distill and condense heavy lube oils. The bottom residue also has commercial value as asphalt, bitumen modifier, be there a high amount of water, low boilers, and additives in the feed. TWFE adapts very well to feedstock variability. Finally, base lube oils from distillation skids are sent to an automatic non-consumable regenerative media-based polishing system, which adds value to reclaimed oils by improving color and reducing or removing odors. wet scrubber and thermal oxidizer in pollution skid ensure completely pollutant-free discharge. Benchmarked to fulfill all region-specific environmental and safety commitments, highly efficient and economical to operate, exceeding expectations, Thermopac re-refinery plant gives 0.98 liters of commercially saleable products per liter of used lube oil, which is stable against oxidation, ultimately enhancing its shelf life. About Thermopac? With prestigious USA and Canada patent for waste fuel conversion, Thermopac's TWFE is a proud, completely indigenous technology. 31 re-refining plants in 5 different continents. Thermopac is synonymous with finest quality in-house manufacturing, following strictest international standards. Modular plant construction with hassle-free scope for expansion, optimum plant layout including critical thermic fluid, and overall piping design by the team of highly experienced designers, process instrumentation engineers, and programmers, assuring security and traceability of data with top-notch consistent operational performance. Coupled with comprehensive round-the-clock customer support and functional training module of client staff, Thermopac is super committed for glitch-free and smooth plant operation. As of today, Thermopac is processing approximately 1 million liters of used engine oil per day into high-quality base oil through 31 re-refining plants installed in 5 different continents. Thermopac offers re-refining of used lube oil, true turnkey plant Group 1 and Group 2, regenerative type environmentally friendly media base polishing system, transformer oil recycling plants, lube oil blending plants, grease plants, delivered refinery plants under TUV-CE certification. So, get the Thermopac's TWFE advantage and make refining black gold an ultra-profitable enterprise.